All right, looks like we started. It's kind of odd, but whatever. I do want to give Aquarius a new message because yesterday's message, like, I think that was like really specific, and yeah, I just don't feel comfortable with it. So I'd like to give a new message, maybe not to that person or that group, you know. Can I just get a normal message, something beneficial, something helpful, but something a little bit more positive? Because that just, I don't like, it put a bad taste in my mouth. All right. Got some flirting here. A little birdie told me. Oh, man. Okay. All right. Did I just say that? Yeah. Something somebody's doing, like trying to protect yourself. You feel kind of beaten up and yeah, trying to heal from the butt whooping here. Yeah. Maybe just like got knocked out or something, but yeah. Like some little altercation here. Like somebody just took a butt whooping, you know. I don't know if this was like a real fight. Feels like a real fight. At first I was like, was there flirting? You know, it's some type of little small action, like a punch, you know what I mean? Like just one. Somebody got knocked out. You got knocked out. Sorry, I'm trying to refrain from cursing as much because my mouth has just been reckless, and it's time to clean it up a little bit. Yeah, two gentlemen here. Two gentlemen here going back and forth. I see it popping off. Yeah, I see some type of fight between you two. Physical altercation. Little birdie told me. I don't feel good. I'm not taking that, but I'll look into it. Hold on. Who's spying on you? I felt that too. Didn't I just say that? Little birdie told me, like, somebody's spying on you. Yeah. What's up with all the two? Unreal. So much two. Two. At any rate, something here about the relationships we deal with at work. Definitely, the time is now probably ended up in a legal situation where we got to pay somebody. This feels like a lawsuit to me. But kind of a backstory there. Yeah, something, I don't know if something's made public about a healing, like somebody got their, I guess, well, I don't know. But I see I see a physical fight, you know, between two gentlemen. One, it could have been a white guy, a black guy, or, you know, somebody of different, you know, two different races perhaps, maybe. The other, you know, one of the gentlemen here could have been 2 against 1. I'm seeing 2 against 1. Oh, 3 against 1. I didn't see a third one. Maybe you didn't either. I don't know. But it, you know, could have felt like 3 against 1. I don't know. Like something to jump here. Because you definitely got to heal from it. Or if not, this is just 2 men here. You know. Somebody spying on the injury, spying on the fight. Somebody saw the fight. I just feel like that. Like a little birdie told me. That you're healing. This could have been It feels like you're alone. Healing alone. Lonely. Really wanted some new energy here. Aquarius, you know, anytime I got to read for an air sign, it's just real hard for me because a little birdie told me, and, you know, Satan uses, you know, Satan travels through air. You are an air sign. Something went on here is very toxic. I don't know if you guys were drinking, you know, drugging, carrying on. Something happened at a, you know, establishment or what. But whatever it was, you know, the devil was in the details here. Okay? The devil was in the details. Whatever that means to you. Little birdie told me. Something about the three. Was there three against one? Yeah. And then there was somebody who saw it. They saw the whole thing. Yeah, no, the devil's in the details. Some little altercation happened, you know, but damn. Somebody got called a lazy MF. I am trying to, you know, clean my, thank you. I'm trying so hard. Thank you for acknowledging it. Really trying to clean my language up. It's challenging. Evil. Evil. You know, this person, you know, not to be trusted. And it's coming right off the devil card. And then you got Queen of Pentacles and reverse, you know, evil. Something about the devil being in the details. I feel like somebody here just was defensive because they were, I don't know if this is somebody getting jumped. I don't know what this argument was about. If it's robbery. Queen of Pentacles in the reverse. Here's the deal. Because, all right, word on the street is something happened here over something toxic. Money was involved. 2, 3, 4 gentlemen were there. There was definitely a third person because this person snitched. Singing like a canary, this person's singing like a canary. I have King of Pentacles in the upright and a Queen of Pentacles in the reverse. I feel like I've picked up on this energy before about this brawl in between two men. But I have her in the reverse. Man. This person got the hell out of Dodge. They rolled on you. I felt that. Somebody rolled on somebody. Like physically rolled. Like this person, you know, abandoned me. Somebody's definitely lonely, healing by themselves. Somebody fucking rolled. Excuse me. Sorry. Trying so hard to clean up my mouth. So I'm trying, man. I'm trying. Oh, damn. See? Yeah, my mouth. I need help. With my mouth, for sure. I need help. Please help me with my mouth. riding with you, but this person, it felt like an inside job. I felt that immediately. Like this person, you know, I'm gonna put this out there and I might be wrong, but if this is some type of little robbery, somebody was with them and this person kind of, man, what is that old Bone song? It's really funky song. It's funny song. Who's that hiding in the bushes? Something. Yeah. This person. You didn't see this person. This person saw you. I also kind of get this energy like somebody's playing victim here. This person wasn't a victim. It's like an inside job. But like they were there with you. And like they might have, you know, got tussled up a little bit. That could have been the case, but who's that hiding in the bushes? I saw that. They got it on film. They, you know, everybody got a phone now. This person has it on camera. You're on camera. Candid camera. You look like, There's a woman involved here somewhere, you know, there usually is. This person was accused of infidelity. Definitely fighting. This was a physical altercation. Someone here needs to roll from whatever's going on here. This is some type of very unclean spirit. I mean, extremely. With the devil card, I can't make it up. There's some type of spiritual attack here. Fighting off negative energies. You need to clear the energy. I see someone healing and doing so alone. And somebody leaving. And that's what they're telling you. You need to clear out. Roll out. So, did I already say that? Somebody's rolling them. You need to roll. Something's on camera. I don't know what these two gentlemen were up to. They were up to something. Something, you know, if this is somebody going through somebody's phone, it didn't go well. You know, somebody could have got beat up for going through somebody's phone. That's what I see. Because there's some type of recording, some type of text message, voicemail, something, picture, video that is not good. It pretty, you know, it highlights the highlight reel of what was going on between whomever here that was promiscuous. It's definitely spiritual warfare with the devil and the temperance. And that's what you have under spiritual attack, fighting off negative energies, fighting off spiritual warfare, needing to clear your energy. There's big ass, sorry. I am having such a hard time with the tongue. I really need help. I didn't realize how much I curse, but man, it's hard. It is hard. I'm really trying. I don't know. I really don't know. It's an altercation here between two gentlemen. Someone's spying on something. I'll watch the replay on this. Yeah. They're talking about someone's very promiscuous, and they're talking about it a lot. They're talking about how promiscuous this person is. This person sleeps around. I mean, they're calling this person, they're painting portrait of prostitution here. This is a hard lesson. You're learning about the ending of something and someone's financial independence. Someone is going out on their own. They are financially, this is a hard lesson. Someone's taking a lesson. They're taking an L. Yeah, the Stealer. It's a hard lesson, but necessary. Something, there's an ending here, an ending of a lesson. A very single energy after that, like, well, know when to hold, when to fold. You know, at least you still have your money. Very sneaky plan, very sneak. Someone's sneaky. This person is, there's a sneaky plan, sneaky plan. What's the sneaky plan? No strength. This is hard. I mean, it's attacking your strength. I just watched something this morning, very early this morning. I couldn't sleep. I had a bad dream. And I just started kind of watching YouTube, and discovered this spiritual channel. This, not spirit, I mean, this guy's like I mean, you know, he's some type of priest. I don't know if he's ordained or not. He's just, you know, a YouTuber. He was touching on unclean spirits. How they attack the strength of people. How to recognize an unclean spirit. The seven deadly, the seven sins, something about seven. I need to go back to church myself. But I see the something here. It ain't good. I think there's a lesson here that's ending. Someone will be, at least you got your money, you know. Someone here is definitely trying to rob you. Very robbery energy. They're trying to manhandle the strength reverse. I don't know if someone got knocked out, you know, out of order sign, you know, temporarily out of order. You know, it makes you feel weak. You know, if you're not strong, you are weak. Lord, I'm having a hard time saying these words because they're kind of curse wordy, but if you're not a lion, you know what I mean? And if you're not in the upright, you're not a lion, you're a pussy. This person's like, yeah, I stole their lunch money, basically. Someone got their clock cleaned. This person kind of feels, wow, who is this person spying? A lesson on change. This person's really spying. Who's that hat? And I see the bush. You're going to have to help me out. I don't know what this person's spying on. They're spying on someone's lesson, watching something end, spying on someone's money. Yeah, keep pulling these cards. Spirit's really, really adamant about this robbery that is someone's physically attacking this person. This is a physical altercation. This is someone getting manhandled and robbed. It's like you were working for this person. Everything ends. But someone saw it happen. You didn't see them. This person saw what really happened. They saw this person steal. They know the plan. Again with the 7. You got 77. This person's wants protection. See, they saw something, but they're asking for protection. Like, what are your options? You've painted yourself in a corner here. You worked with someone. Something terrible happened that ended something. Definitely a robbery, without the shadow of a doubt. Let's get real clear about this robbery. This was a physical attack. Yeah, it's all coming out. Whatever this person saw, they've sung like a canary. They saw it all, and they are shedding light on a situation. They are definitely shedding light on a situation about some type of robbery plan. This was definitely a plan to physically injure someone. This was a plan. This person hid. This person's very satisfied with the sneaky little plan and what they did. This person stole. This was their plan. And they were very satisfied with themselves in the robbery. They were highly satisfied. All their cups were full after they did what they did. This person was extremely happy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Kid in a candy store happy. Yeah, they were happy that the other person was... I mean, they left bloodshed. This person left bloodshed. They were happy about it. They left this person very injured. They don't know what happened to him, nor did they care. 5 of Cups in a challenged position. They left this person for dead. They were happy that this person was left in a very compromised position. They were happy that they were happy to see this person lose. They were happy to see this person lose their money. They were happy to see this person down and out. They were happy to see this person weak. They were happy to see this person in a very confused state. Yeah, definitely going to jail. Oh, yeah, you definitely going to jail. Definitely. I don't know you. I mean, I'm not saying you. Someone here definitely going to jail, and it is something to do with the person you're seeing. Somebody's seeing. If this isn't you, you know what I'm talking about. This was a soulmate. A jail situation with a soulmate. Now, soulmates can be anybody. Brother, sister, mother, father, neighbors, girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, children, your best friend. There's lots of soulmates. Lots of soulmates. I am inclined to think this was romantic, though. Oh yeah, this is going to court, and this is definitely the family. I said that immediately. I said, well, soulmates can be anybody. This is going to court. Someone's spied. They are singing like a canary. They're taking the family. Did I say lawsuit? They're taking the family to court. They're calling this very privileged lady. They're calling her Community D. Community P is what they're calling her. Privileged lady with the community. They're calling this woman Community P. This was a sneaky plan. This person beat up, but they're very satisfied. I guess so, they're privileged. But there was something else. There's something about 3 people here. 3. 39, I see it. I see 99. Cycle's definitely wrapped up. Yeah, we got a 57. I didn't even see that. 7 of Cups, 5 of Cups. We have a 57. Imprisonment. I knew that this was going to come out. I knew it. There's court. I can't make it up. We go to court. There's a very privileged lady here that they're calling Community P. She does have others behind her supporting some type of story. I see jail. There's a rat. Here's your rat. Told you, someone's singing like a canary, but I don't like their story. It just seems like there's more that I'm not getting to the bottom of. You know, makes me... Is someone getting away with something? Where am I at with time? I don't got much of it. Who's getting away with something? Is someone getting away with something? Okay. It's coming out to light about the King of Wands. I just saw you there. Something's coming out to light about this very attractive man who's usually a good daddy, attractive, busy. You know, what is it about the legal problems? The legal problems. What is it? The legal problems. Legal issues, court. There you are again. Someone's isolated now. I guess so if you're in jail and not happy. You're mourning, grieving, and it's like someone, there's a legal issue. Someone is very isolated and now grieving. There was some bloodshed in this. Yeah. Definitely some tears too. Grief. Hard grief. Hard grief. Feeling alone. And someone is awarded mega bucks. Ace of Pentacles. Whatever legal issue this is, it feels like a lawsuit. They're awarded handsomely. New house, new car. They get everything. Somebody gets everything out of this legal situation. They're getting the Ace of Pentacles. That's what we were going to court for. Oh, yeah, definitely a betrayal. Heavy betrayal. Somebody's looking into, yeah. Somebody's looking into... Somebody is shedding some light. Somebody is interviewing other people. And when they interview these others, they're learning about a lot of betrayals here. A lot of little nasty plans. See, somebody had the master plan and then they roped other people into it. And it was sorry, I'm trying so hard not to curse. It's a very, it was a complete and utter betrayal. I mean, this was somebody that you know, like, I want to say played dumb, because if you're the teacher and these people, I don't know if these are kids, you know, somebody coerce kids, but there's a teacher. This was a lesson in betrayal, I can tell you that, definitely. Somebody's looking into this little plan of betrayal, this lesson of betrayal. Man, oh, this is a hard one. 88, you had the 8, you had strength reverse, which is 8, but you had it reversed. Here's the 88. Yeah. Okay. This is some type, there's unfinished business here is what I'm gonna tell you. Someone here left the other for dead, straight up. This person was left in a very hard position, bloodshed, heavy grief. I mean, crying, fetal, I mean, someone was left for dead, isolated, alone. This person walked away and did not care. They had no F's given when they walked away. They went on working like usual. They went about their business as usual. There's unfinished business here. I will tell you that. I think this person was left for dead. This was over money, big coin. There is, I want to say, an investigator. This is an investigator team that is hip to the nasty betrayal here. It's going on right now. There's an investigation. Hermit with the 3 of Pentacles. You see what I see? Someone is looking into, and they're using other resources to do so. Like, this is somebody who's burning the midnight oil. They're interviewing others. They're looking things up. They're doing background checks. And what they're discovering is a lot of betrayals. There's a lengthy, you know, what is the sheet? Background. There's a sheet of this behavior, whatever, where people are left with nothing. This person has done this before. It is the Wheel of Fortune reverse. It's highly unfortunate for one, because this was everything this person worked for. They left this person. They did not care. 8 of Cups on a 5 of Cups. They did not, this was ruthless. It was savage. And this person, if they go to jail, they deserve it. There is unfinished business here. I don't know. You know, only you're going to know. I don't know, hon. I tried to pull new energy. I just didn't like where I left it yesterday. I hope it helps.